I'm Tuấn.
I'm Giang.
I'm Lee.
We are from Trường Thi High School, Thanh Hóa. Many of you may be familiar with the concept of crystal in life. We can see crystal of table salt in fish sauce. It is due to the crystallization of natri chloro crystal. To grow crystal, you must first understand the nature of crystallization, which requires the assistance of teacher as well as the use of books and the internet to gather information. The crystal culture process can produce polycrystalline or single crystal. Crystals are objects that are made up of ions, atoms, or molecules in a certain order. Each type of crystal has a different structure, and in this video, we will show you how to grow copper-2 sulfate crystal. But not like normal growing, we will show you how to grow single copper-2 sulfate crystal into flower shape. Now, let's get started. We need to prepare a full range of tools such as a glass rod, a precision scale, a petri dish, a hot stick glue, a measuring cup, and a string. The ingredients are also simple. We use a precision scale to weigh 200 grams of copper-2 sulfate. Then, use a measuring cup to take 400 ml of hot water. Then, completely dissolve 200 grams of copper-2 sulfate with 400 ml of hot water, and we'll get a saturated solution of copper-2 sulfate blue. Let the solution cool completely. Then, use a petri dish and pour solution into 2/3 of the dish. After 2 days of letting stand, we saw crystallization appear in crystal sprout. Now, we'll start picking out the sprout to choose the beautiful ones. Please note that we do not take polycrystalline seeds, twin seeds, only standard structural monocrystalline seeds. And this is the sprout that we chose. Our flower uses 19 sprouts. When picking and wiping the sprout, be careful not to let the solution spill or stick to your hands. If the sprouts are redundant or bad, we will grind them into small pieces, then reuse by making a saturated solution for crystal culture. Tie a single crystal to a thin string, then hang it in a beaker containing saturated copper-2 sulfate solution. After 50 days, we obtain a single crystal weighing 36 grams with smooth surface. 19 copper-2 sulfate crystal sprouts are arranged in a flower shape using hot stick glue to stick them together. Remember to only attach when the sprouts are dry. After the hot stick glue is completely dry, place the flower in the center of the cup and then slowly pour the copper-2 sulfate solution into the cup. Pour along the side of the cup to prevent the petal from falling off. After 3 weeks, we got a product which is a beautiful blue flower like this. The last step is to attach the flower into copper-2 sulfate single crystal with hot stick glue. Like a certain crystal, try to do it right away. We guarantee you will fall in love with this beautiful crystal. Good luck and thank you for watching the video.